Hey YouTube, this is 3Punch5, and this is going to be my last cat video based on my cat Magnet. So one thing that's pretty unique about her is that, whenever she tries to get, or whenever we brush her, she always tries to chew the brush, like it's a chew toy. I have no idea why. It is not normal at all for her to do that, but for some reason she loves doing it. She loves being brushed, and she always tries to chew the brush because it's lengthy. I don't know why, but anyway, have fun watching her. Maybe laugh a little. In fact, you should laugh.
I'm not even brushing you.